Is it possible to control how the other parent spends your child support money to make sure that money goes to the kids? For most of us, that answer unfortunately is going to be no, but I did find one way in my research and in my experience that this can happen, which I will get to at the end of this video. Before I get started, nothing in this video is legal advice. Can you control how the other parent spends the money? Generally, the courts are against this. They don't want an ex to be able to control how their other ex is spending their money. They don't want to give me control over how my ex is conducting her financial affairs. This has been pretty clear through my experience as a family law attorney over the last decade. The courts are usually just concerned with making sure that child support is calculated accurately and that it's being paid. Now, if I'm paying my child support on time every month, the court is going to assume that the other parent has the financial ability to maintain support of the child, or that the child is receiving the financial support that that child's entitled to. Is the other parent going on vacation or buying handbags or going on dates with that money? It would be impossible for every dime of that child support money to be spent on the child. Andrew Tate recently commented on this in an interview where he said that any dad who works for their money, who has court-ordered child support, is going to be driven crazy by the fact that the money is not actually going to the child, that the other parent is going on dates and spending the money for lifestyle things rather than on the child. Is he right? Unfortunately, yes. In my experience, most men who are on court-ordered child support are driven mad by the fact that the other parent does not have any sort of accountability to the court to make sure that that money is being spent on the child. Now I want to tell you about the one way that I have seen that this could work, but it's not easy. I recently shot a video for this channel about how Nick Cannon announced that he does not pay any court-ordered child support for any of his 12 kids to any of his 6 babies' moms. And the way that he accomplished that is by working an out-of-court arrangement with the moms that if they ever needed anything for the children, they would come to him and he would be the provider, and he would never turn them down for anything that the kids needed. If you think about it, not only is that keeping him off the government grid for child support, but it's also giving him the ability to know for sure that everything that he's spending on his kids is going to his kids. The courts will never let you do that because, again, they don't want to let you have this control over the other parent. But if you are amicable enough with your ex to work out something like this, that is, in my experience, the one and only way to make absolutely sure that your child support money is going to be going to the kids and not to just other stuff. Another concept that's just as important as making sure that your money goes to the kids is understanding the legal ways to lower your child support. I created a video last week on that very topic. It's linked up above, so check that out now, and I'll see you in the next one.